Shoinmwa, Yinasire. I hope you are answering. Today we'll be looking at the word Beduk, which is rooms. Duk is room. Duk sangal, sitting room or parlor. Duk polo, bedroom. Duk ki is kitchen. Remember I told you that pie is food, so ki is cooking. Duki kitchen. Dukus or dukush is bathroom. Duktos is toilet. Ban is store where food is kept. And the word ban is also used for bank where money is saved. Reduk is door. Last but not the least is duk bikenet, which is guest room. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel as more interesting videos will be coming your way. Bye for now.